Hi everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com and I'm here with another video. If you are brand new to my channel, then welcome. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. I have a really quick card for you today. Well, I always say that it's a quick card, but it was so stinking cute. The ones that I made earlier that I needed and wanted to make some more. But before we get into that, I wanted to share with you a couple of things that are going on with Stampin' Up. And the first thing is that we have the Expressions in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit. This one actually coordinates with the Expressions in Ink suite that is in our brand new annual catalog. And if you don't have a demonstrator and would like a catalog, please let me know. I'll leave a link down below. And also I'll leave a link on how you can subscribe to Paper Pumpkin. But this one is a really, I'm excited about this one. It's using some of the brand new in colors that we have for 2021, 2023. And what's really neat about this one is that you're going to get 2 stamping spots in the kit. I know they don't usually do that. I don't think they may have done it once before, but not very often. So to get 2 stamping spots, which is basically a small ink pad, that is really great. And you can actually try out some of the new in colors that we have. The next one is the Connect, Craft, and Collect $25. So this is a special that's going on just for this month. Actually from May 4th to June 14th. So you have a little bit of extra time. But what is great about this is that if you have a large order that you would want to place, starting at $250, then you can get an extra $25 in Stampin' Rewards. Now, you don't have to do all this all by yourself. You don't even really have to have a party. But if you and a couple of friends, you know, that would like to order some things from the catalog, you can go ahead and take advantage of this because you can get $25 extra in your Stampin' Rewards. And that is also, free money is just great. I love free money. Actually, to spend on more craft stuff as well, you can't get better than that. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me and I'll explain more about the promotion. And the third promotion that we're actually talking about, which goes until the end of this month, is the Join Plus. Now, just join Stampin' Up as a demonstrator, because that's the official title that they call you, a demonstrator. But, you know, you don't have to have a party. You don't have to put on workshops. You don't have to do anything but be your own best shopper and get all of your items for a discount. And so going on until the end of the month, what is really great is that you'll get $99 is what you'll have to pay. You'll get an extra $30 in your that you can spend. So you'll be able to spend $155 on anything that's in the brand new catalog, in the January to June mini catalog, even the clearance section if you wanted to get something from there. There's no set things that you have to get. You get what you want. And there's lots and lots of really great bundles that you can get, a couple of 2-3 bundles for that particular price and still have something left over. But if you'd like to join my team and become a discount shopper, or if you wanted to do this as a business, please feel free to contact me and we can talk about how you can do that. So all that aside, let's get to crafting, because that's what we're here for. And my desk is, look at this. Every time I clean it up, there's always little somethings. Who knows? Today, I am going to be using the Color and Contour. I'm going to call it a bundle because I don't remember the actual bundle name. But it's the Color and Contour stamp set along with the scalloped contour dies. Really cute. I just love this one. And I think, I'm going to show you the dies first as well, which is really great. These 2 shapes will cut out 2 of the images in the stamp set. And these are just extra dies that you can use for borders. You can use it for a background. You can cut into them. It's a lot that you can do. So it's a really great value. And I'm going to pull this one out because I'm going to use that particular die. And I've already pulled my stamps out that I'm going to use. So what we're going to do, I'm going to set that aside. No, you know what? I'm going to move this out the way because I'm not sure if there's a glare. So let me pull some of the pieces out that I'm going to, my stamps that I'm going to use. I'm also going to be using the new In Color 2021, 2023 jewels. I'm going to use a couple of those in the matching colors. The color that I'm going to be using today is Fresh Freesia. So what I have is a 8.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock scored at, and I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. And I have 2 pieces of white, basic white cardstock as well. The other things I'm going to be using is the brand new in color Fresh Freesia, say that twice, 10 times, woven ribbon, super cute. And I'm also going to be using, I don't know which one I'm going to use. This is the Fresh Freesia Stampin' Right markers. Nope, Stampin' Blends. And this is the Light Soft Succulent Stampin' Blend. Oh, actually, this is the dark. I think I was going to change it and use the dark this time. And I have the Wink of Stella. So let's just go ahead and get started. Oh, let me pull this aside and move this aside. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually, I should have still I'm going to have to get a new blade. I'm going to have to change my blade. I have all these little bits and pieces. I'll get my little sander and sand that down. Good, I didn't even notice that earlier. So I'm just going to fold this in half. You can actually score it on your scoreboard or on the on your trimmer and get a nice crease. But I didn't do that, so I'm going to score it right here like that. And what I want to do is I'm going to use that particular one as a background stamp. And let me get my other stamping block. I don't know. I put it to the side. So let me move these aside and I'll get that. So here we go. I have my Fresh Freesia ink pad. And I am going to, I need a piece of scrap paper. I'll use one of these. Sorry about that. I have a piece of copy paper that I have used, and I'm just going to put a little bit of stamping on for the background of that. I hope everyone is doing well. This is just going to be some random dots, just to give it a little bit of texture, because I'm not doing any kind of embossing. And I really didn't put any in the middle because I'm actually not going to be, it's going to cover it up. So I'm going to set that aside. And then I'll set that aside. And I am going to stamp. So I'm going to put this aside and I'll do the cutting first because I want to cut this out and then I can stamp everything at the same time. Can you tell it's been a while since I've done a video? I'm all over the place. So I'm going to put this aside and I'll bring out the stamp. My Big Boss. And I'm going to use one of the pieces of basic white to cut that out. And let me get my plates. It's a number 1, number 2, number 3, your paper, your die, and I like to have it, if I can, on an angle, so that makes it a lot easier when it runs through. And the top plate, top number 3, and we'll just roll this across. And move this. And there we go. Put that back to the side. And we'll push these aside as well. Can you see that? So it has a scalped edge, but it also left some little stitching on there, which is really, really cute. So now I'm going to bring back my paper and I'm going to stamp with my Memento. The reason I'm using this particular one is because I'm going to be using my Stampin' Blends. And I kind of turn it to the side so I can see a little bit better. And I want it right there. Super cute. I'm going to move that to the side. And I'm also going to stamp the sentiment that says, "So very happy for you." I'm going to stamp that down here. Hopefully you can see that. Move that aside. And while we're stamping, I'm going to stamp the inside as well. That says, you're absolutely amazing. Just like that. And I'll move that to the side, as well as that. And now we can put the rest of the card together. Really, really easy. So I'm going to get my stamp and seal. Make sure I have it the right way. See, I did that one time before. Make sure you have it the right way. That on the inside. And we're going to color this. So I'm going to bring this back out just to color a little bit on the leaves. Now, what I like about these newer stamp sets, it seems like they're coming out with a lot of them that are like watercolor. And at first I was like, I'm not really a big watercolor person, but I like the fact that you don't have to be very precise. You know, you can, if you go out the lines, that's okay, because it's kind of expected. Now, this particular stamp set, it does have a stamp that you can stamp the insides with, but I decided that I just wanted to use the my Stampin' blends today. And doesn't have to be super great. Can leave a little bit of uncolored sections in there, because it's like watercolor, and you kind of see that in a watercolor image. And I'm using the this is the dark fresh freesia. And I'm going to color that in. And there we go. The last thing I'm going to do with this one is that I need a little bit of sparkle. So I'm just going to color over the flower with some Wink of Stella. Yeah, sometimes you can't see it, so just turn it to the side. You don't really need a lot. And I think I'm going to do the leaves as well. Why not? And put that aside. So next, I'm going to bring in my tape dispensary. And I'm going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. And we're just about done, my friends. I'm going to put 6, I guess. That would be a okay number. I'll put that back in there. I'm trying to be a little bit neater, but you know how that goes. So we'll bring our card front back, and we'll take these off. You can make a lot of these at one time, because it does go really quickly. You don't have to pop these up. Now, this would be considered for a casual crafter, only because you're using some extra elements like the die cut, and I'm going to use a piece of ribbon. I'm going to angle this on the side, like so. Move this out of the way. I'm going to crease this a little bit more. And then the other thing that I have, oh dear, what did I do with it? Okay. I have a little ribbon. Now, if you've watched me before, you know me and ribbons, we don't get along too well. So I've tied the ribbon off camera, so you wouldn't have to be here forever and a day. And I'm going to attach that with a mini glue dot right there, and put that down, and that one down like that. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to use some Stampin', what are we going to call these jewel colors in Fresh Freesia. I'm just going to use 3. The rule of thumb that some people say is to use like an odd number, and then try to do it in like a triangular fashion. So, but really, you can do what you want, however you want to do it. If I can get this off. Oop. Over this, come on, come on. And there you have it. Really quick. We can adjust this if we want. You know, me and ribbons, like I said, we don't get along too well. But there you have it, my friends. Really quick and easy. There are different sentiments that you can use in there, but this one says, so very happy for you. You are absolutely amazing. And there you have it. So there's my card for today. I'll be back with some more videos featuring the contour and what do we call it? The color and contour bundle. So thanks so much for stopping by, everyone. I hope you have a really great day. And this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'll be back real soon with some more videos. Bye.